We go to the recently closed facility in Pripyat, to the laundry. This is how stalker trips go. There are no guards there now, and we want to see what they did there. Why would anyone even need a laundry in an abandoned city in the Chernobyl exclusion zone? But before that, we want to pick up our camera traps near the Ferris wheel.
Sasha, look how beautiful.
The famous 16-story building of Pripyat.
Let's go. Car.
We need to hide. Guys, there's a car. Don't move. As long as we don't move, we can't be seen. Damn, it's poisonous.
Delicious. The police are coming to us, and we have mushrooms. They saw us. This is an excursion.
This is definitely not a tour.
Is it late for tours?
Yes, there are no more tours at this time. This is security.
Sasha, you broke my mushroom.
Sorry. Look, is this Soviet symbols?
Yes.
It has been well preserved. I haven't been here. Wow.
Let Adam be a worker, not a soldier. But as always, something went wrong. And as we know, the atom is never peaceful.
Do you hear someone doing repairs in the 16-story building?
Someone is banging with a hammer.
I heard that the management of the zone allocated $100,000 for the renovation of apartments in Pripyat.
Really?
Yes. Isn't that too much for an apartment in Pripyat?
Can they make noise?
They do it officially, so they can. What is this building? Where are we going?
Where is the comrade?
There. Vlad, can you tell me where we're going? Where are we going?
To the Ferris wheel.
Why in such a difficult way?
So it's faster.
What is this building?
It looks like some kind of warehouse.
It's so creepy in here. Some switches.
Apparently it was once a diner.
Soviet diner.
My brother is a cook. He worked in a such diner. The roof is leaking.
It's okay.
So was it a library or a diner?
This is the House of Culture Energetic, where you were supposed to perform with a balalaika. Did you hear something? Let's go.
This is the central square.
Yes, quiet. Do not make noise.
What's this?
Tehran. This is a restaurant. It was a restaurant.
Really?
Look, there are bears.
This is the Hotel Polsy.
Friends, we are in the center of Pripyat. Holly molly. It's so quiet here. What's this?
This is the Alley of Heroes.
This is a monument to heroes. We heard a noise. It is not clear what it is noise. Guys, we are going now for the camera trap that was watching Zaporizhets. Look what we found.
It's Lenin, the first head of the USSR.
Look, the monument is well preserved. Do you think it was hand-drawn?
Certainly.
There used to be an alley here. Now all the asphalt is overgrown with trees. Another monument to Lenin? What is that noise in the distance? It's scary here. What kind of monument is this? To whom is this monument? The USSR?
This is a worker and a collective farmer. Damn, someone goes there.
Let's wait here. It's safer.
It's cool. Adrenaline.
This is silly. And here is the Ferris wheel. We are on the spot. Right there stood our Zaporizhets. We'll quickly pick up the camera and leave. There's no one here, but I hear dogs barking. Looks like the guards have watchdogs. There are usually a lot of tours and police in this place. This is the most dangerous place. Guys, let's go.
They stole it.
I thought so. Let's go.
The camera was stolen.
What about the second camera?
The other one was stolen too.
Guys, let's get out of here.
There were stalkers. They were afraid of us.
Stalkers?
Yes, right there. They ran away from us.
They ran away from us, and we ran away from them. This is how the life of stalkers in Pripyat looks like.
We drove here right here. Do you remember? I still thought that I would not be able to drive here.
I remember. Right here.
Yes, right here. And also the car was here and there.
Yes, it was. Do you remember how well I played the balalaika?
Let's get out of here. And where are we going?
To the industrial area.
Okay, look, river in Pripyat. Dry river. Look what a bridge.
Do you know that trolls live under the bridge?
Is this bridge safe to walk on?
I wouldn't risk.
Guys, what is this building we found in Pripyat? What's this?
Look, this is art. Look what a fantasy the artist had.
It must be Prometheus. It's the Prometheus cinema.
It is very cool.
Yes. Guys, this is a Soviet cinema.
Have you been inside?
Not.
Can we watch a movie?
Let's.
Let's.
Wow.
Is it open there?
Yes, come on in. This is where the projector was showing films. Be careful, do not fall. The projector was stolen. Cool. Is there a piano over there? Shall we play? Guys, it's a piano. We are in the Soviet cinema. There were seats. The piano is intact. Or not.
The piano is broken.
Why? I understand there are no strings. It's rusty.
Look, it's a prompter pit.
Really? Was there a person there?
Yes.
This is what a piano looks like in Pripyat. Look at the speakers, ESCO 100. Here you need to be careful. Rotten floors everywhere. The floor collapsed there. It's good that I noticed it. Well, guys, that's what the Soviet cinema was like.
Could we go here?
Yes, and we didn't know how to get into the cinema hall. Guys, what's going on? Everything is fine?
Yes. Just newbies panicking.
Did you see someone?
Let's go around them through the forest.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Why is Kamrad not coming with us?
Soviet phone.
It's broken.
It's empty there? Comrade, let's move on. We only have a little bit left to go. We need to go there, but there are people. It's very noisy. People everywhere. Leaves rustle underfoot.
Look, there are people ahead.
You are sure?
Vlad, what are you doing? This is the most dangerous place.
We need to get out of here. There are a lot of people here. Guys, this is not a joke.
Let's go over here.
I can feel the tension. It's dangerous here. Are these garages?
Yes.
Closed?
The garages are closed. They are even welded on. Shall we try to open it?
Here it is welded. There is no point in even trying to open it.
Almost all garages are welded here.
Are there open ones? What's there? Is there something here, Vlad?
Look how many interesting things there are.
Look, everything is well preserved here. These garages must have been opened recently. Look.
Is it a samovar or moonshine still?
Where?
Look, what is this?
Vlad, look at what you're standing on.
There's a closet here. Workers' things. Navarka. This is a French company that built a sarcophagus over the reactor. Yes, they are.
Exactly, these things were brought here after the accident.
This was very recently, a year or two ago.
Whoa, look, new.
It's radioactive.
Company, Vitality. Is it salt or potassium nitrate?
I do not know. It looks like salt, but unusual salt.
It's saltpeter. This is a dangerous thing.
It might explode.
It's definitely potassium nitrate. I hope it doesn't catch fire.
In Pripyat, fires are especially dangerous. It is very serious.
Look, oil products were stored here. Look how many alarms are installed here. Look how many there are.
Look how many garages there are.
What's this?
This is part of the ventilation. There is someone. I hear a noise. What's it? There may be policemen in such places. There is wood. Holy moly. Vlad, what is this?
There used to be a laundry.
There were marauders.
This place was open in 2016. There is a seal in 2016.
Yes, this place was abandoned in 2017.
Guess what? It has worked so far. This place is contaminated with beta particles. Let's measure the radiation. It's okay. This is the last facility that stopped working in Pripyat. Here they washed the things of the workers who built the sarcophagus, the arch. Closed?
There are a lot of bottles.
They were drinking, feeling like we are not in Pripyat.
There's a working toilet.
Water is off. Look, all the pipes are intact. The lamp is not broken.
Let's try.
Doesn't work?
No. Doesn't work. Did you switch?
Yes. But it still doesn't work. No, it doesn't turn on.
Look.
Nuclear safety rules?
Yes.
Wow. Go to the second floor. Is this really a laundry?
Workers of the nuclear power plant wash their clothes here.
This is when they built the arch, Novarka?
There are a lot of things left.
See what washing machines. Rotary. Washing machines were stolen. The cabinets remain. And here someone wanted to steal copper.
Here are the plans. There was security here. These are laundry plans.
I got. The piano works.
Let's try to play together.
Let's. And can you play the piano? Doesn't work. Holly Molly. Comrade, piano. Hush.
Unfortunately, this place will also be destroyed soon. Look, what is it? It's from the Jupiter factory.
Yes, some flasks. Thermometer?
Look, Sasha.
What? What's this?
Caption: when leaving, turn off the light. There's stuff from the lab.
Why is this here? To disinfect clothes? Radiation is normal.
Sasha, have you seen such signs of radiation?
These are very cool posters. It is 1980. There are many such posters. Look, cable tunnel. Seuss knows that in the cable tunnel, ventilation is turned off in case of fire. Sasha, look what's here.
Use personal protective equipment.
Safety rules for working with electricity.
Guys, I found secret documents.
Why do you think it's secret?
Look, this is 2001. This is a document from Rosaket. This is the place where all the equipment was stolen from, cut into metal, and it went to Ukraine, to Russia, to Europe, and to other places.
Document on the extraction of Mi-26 helicopters from the cemetery of equipment.
Can we be jailed for this?
Was it 2001 when it all happened?
Yes.
Look, they prepared a radiator to steal.
Wow, project.
Vlad, look what we found.
Wow, this is a Pripyat project. Look,
It's a nuclear power plant. That's exactly it.
this is a project for the construction of the sarcophagus of the object.
It can't be filmed.
That's not all.
There are many more. Are we taking it with us?
And go to jail.
Here is the folder with the secret materials.
Case number.
Look, there are different projects.
There's a lot of information here.
These are classified materials. Diagram of a nuclear plant.
Here are the topographic maps. This is irresponsible. Anyone can come and see everything.
We need to find a secret tunnel on the plan.
It's drawn right here.
Damn.
Let's take it.
We need to get out of here.
Yes, it's getting dark. Let's go.
Sasha, turn off the camera.
Wow. Guys, look what I found. Just look at those capacitors. Why haven't they been stolen yet? They cost real money. Camrad, have you seen these capacitors? All electrical is in place. All right, it hasn't been stolen yet.
Don't show it.
Could it be connected to electricity?
Sasha, your favorite.
And let's try. Suddenly it works?
Don't do it.
Can I press?
Try. Nope.
Now nothing is working.
Stop it. Don't make noise. Look, it looks like new. Painted in beautiful colors. Let's go.
Here is the switch. But it doesn't work.
It's all disabled, right?
This is a very expensive item. Repaired by Rosoka 2. Team staff, 2004. These are 479 microfarad capacitors, 0.8 kilovolts. With this you can make a huge Tesla transformer with huge lightning bolts.
Guys, quiet.
Holy moly! How is it possible that it hasn't been stolen yet? Guys, can you imagine? Here is a working lathe. Everything is here. Where is the engine? There is no engine. Here is the cover from it. And it all works. Just imagine a lathe in Pripyat.
Is it working?
There is no engine here. Do you know how to use it? Switched. Adjusted. Second gear.
Did you press the clutch?
Sure. I turn it on here. A little bad work. And everything works.
Here is the last detail that was done here.
Camrad, what is it?
Don't know. Here we can get lost. Where to go? Look what happened here.
There are more documents.
Looks like they were in a hurry. Look what's here. Nuclear regulation of Ukraine. Schemes, agreements, contracts. And everything is here.
They removed the lamps, but here they didn't steal copper.
Look what's here.
Tesla? What's this? Holy moly.
Here are the photos.
Did they photograph metal?
6,300 tons of metal.
Look, here we see the pipe of a nuclear power plant.
Guys, we have a problem.
What happened?
There are people. Someone came, I heard them.